Which gas is emitted by motor vehicles? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Methane. Correct answer is B. Carbon monoxide. From which country does India buy the most weapons in its foreign policy? A. USA. B. Russia. C. France. Correct answer is B. Russia. After how many years are the Olympic Games held? A. 2 years. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. Correct answer is C. 4 years. Which country does the company BMW belong to? A. Japan. B. USA. C. Germany. Correct answer is C. Germany. What is the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India? A. 30 years. B. 25 years. C. 35 years. Correct answer is A. 30 years. In which state is petrol the cheapest in India? A. Goa. B. Puducherry. C. Andaman and Nicobar. Correct answer is C. Andaman and Nicobar. Where is Latmar Holi celebrated? A. Barsana. B. Vrindavan. C. Mathura. Correct answer is A. Barsana. Which is the largest snake? A. Anaconda. B. Python. C. Cobra. Correct answer is A. Anaconda. Which country consumes the most tea? A. India. B. China. C. Turkey. Correct answer is C. Turkey. Where are brass utensils made the most in India? A. Moradabad. B. Jaipur. C. Varanasi. Correct answer is A. Moradabad. Where is the headquarters of RBI located? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. What is referred to as black gold? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Black pepper. Correct answer is B. Petroleum. Which is the tallest building in the world? A. Burj Khalifa. B. Shanghai Tower. C. Abraj Al Bait. Correct answer is A. Burj Khalifa. What is the capital of Singapore? A. Kuala Lumpur. B. Singapore. C. Bangkok. Correct answer is B. Singapore. How long does Mercury take to orbit the Sun? A. 88 days. B. 365 days. C. 225 days. Correct answer is A. 88 days. Why is Earth called the blue planet? A. Oceans. B. Sky. C. Air. Correct answer is A. Oceans. How often is the census conducted in India? A. Every 5 years. B. Every 10 years. C. Every 15 years. Correct answer is B. Every 10 years. Which is the smallest bird? A. Cuckoo, B. Hummingbird, C. Sparrow. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. In which year was Uttar Pradesh established? A. 1950, B. 1947, C. 1956. Correct answer is A. 1950. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Camel, C. Giraffe. Correct answer is C. Giraffe.